Welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. Today I'm going to share with you a dish about tomatoes. This dish in China is very famous. Almost every family, they love this dish and always cook it. For the children, when they grow up, the first dish they learn to cook is this. It's stir-fried tomatoes with eggs. So today I will show you how to make it. It's very simple, easy, and delicious. The most important ingredient is tomato. This one, you can always find it in the supermarket, but it is a little hard and not juicy, so it's not good one. For this one, it's better. You can see it's softer and more juicy. Roma tomatoes, so it's good. It's so colorful. The best one is this. This is organic tomato. You can find it in the farmer's market. If you can find it, this is the best choice. So we use this one to cook the egg today. Here is the eggs. You can choose the organic or pasture-raised eggs. This is the scallion. And here is the salt, the sugar, the oil, the milk. This is fish sauce. These two is option. Let's get started. Ketchup,一点的油，So now our stir-fried tomato and eggs is done. How do you think about it? It not only looks beautiful, but also tastes very good. Hope you can try it in your home. If you like my video today, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't, subscribe my channel. Do it now. I'd like to see you in my next video. Bye!